This is Find My Past, and we're going to search for 1851 census, looking for Robert Ashby. We could fill in this form on the first sheet here, but it's quite broad, so we're going to use the advanced search feature below. If we click on Census, Land and Surveys, and then click on Census below that, that'll give us the right form to fill in. We'll fill in Robert Ashby here. There are boxes to check underneath if you want it to include variations in the spelling, but we're not going to worry about that for this name. If we get too many or not enough hits, we can come back and check that again. We're going to fill in our census year that we're interested in, 1851, and then where we're going to click on that to make sure we're looking at England. And then below that we can put the parish in, which is Ash Hill. And we get Ash Hill, Norfolk or Somerset, so make sure we click the Norfolk one. If we had other information we could include to narrow it down, we don't, so we're going to leave it. And at the bottom here we've only got 2 results anyway, so we're going to click that one. The one that most fits our requirements is at the top there, Ash Hill, Swaffham. On the right hand side we can see that there's a view transcript or view image. We're going to view the transcript first. Slightly different format from the ancestry one. Same information, just laid out differently. And we can view the image again from here. Okay, we can click to go back to the transcript if we wish. And that's how you look for census information using Find My Past.